Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Blake, your favorite marketing expert, and today we're going to go over how to leverage your local presence tool to generate and monitor your reviews. When people are choosing an agent today, they're not just looking at your website, they're starting with your reviews. Your reputation is basically your first impression, and that's why your local presence tool plays such a critical role in your business. This isn't just a reporting tool, it's a reputation engine. It helps you consistently generate new reviews, monitor what clients are saying, and stay in control of your online credibility across the platforms that matter most, especially Google. So, the best part is you don't have to guess or rely on luck. You have a simple, repeatable system for asking for reviews, tracking them, and responding to them all in one place. So, in a moment, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this tool yourself, how to send review requests, where to monitor incoming reviews, and how to make sure your reputation is still growing every single month. Because in today's market, trust isn't claimed, it's proven. And your reviews are the proof. So, let's get started. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, once you're logged into your local presence tool, you're going to see Local Presence Boost. This is where all things reviews are located. So once you click on Local Presence Boost, it's going to have a drop down. You're going to go ahead and click on Generation. So we want to generate a review. We want to generate an invite. So next, you're going to go ahead and click on Send Invites. From Send Invites, you're going to get another screen that gives a few options, and I'm going to explain which each one is. So you can either send an invite to a single contact, whether it's an email or a text message, or you can upload a file, so a spreadsheet, whether it's a Google Sheet or Excel, with a bunch of contacts, whether it's name, emails, phone numbers, to send out in a bulk send, okay? But for today's example, we're gonna use a single invite. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on Send Single Invite. And now it's going to kind of give you step-by-steps, and on the right-hand side, you're going to see a template. So as we go, you're going to see that template starting to fill in with the information. So right now you can see it says placeholder name and placeholder address. Once again, this will fill out as we start filling out the information on the left. So step-by-step, we're going to select the entity. The entity is your location information. So I'm going to go ahead and select my entity. And right away, you see that my logo has been uploaded and my information. Next, we're going to put in the name of the person we want to send the invite to. So I'm going to go ahead and put in Joe, and the last name is going to be Smith, and I'm going to put Joe Smith's email. And now I can go ahead and select a few options for templates. So the first one's always going to be the default. It's the simple and clean one, but of course you can go down and see if there's an option that you like better for yourself. And we'll just go through them. And last but not least, I personally do like the second one, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. And then you do have an option to adjust the language. So if there's something else here that fits your client, you can go ahead, but English will be the default. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit Send Invite. Okay, so now it is loading that information and it's getting ready to send out. Now you can do the same thing for text message. So once again, we're going to go to Send Invites. We're going to hit Send Single Send. We're going to go step by step again. So select the entity, put in the name of the client. We're going to put in now phone number. And this is where now you'll see the phone icon adjust on the right-hand side. You'll put in the number of your client, and then you'll hit Send Invite. For this example, I'm not going to hit Send Invites, but you see what the capabilities are. We're going to actually go back to View Invites. So we're going to view all the invites that I've sent out now. So here we go. We have the invite that we sent. And you're going to see a conversion table here. So you have the email conversion, and then you also have a text conversion, depending on what you're sending to your clients. So as you can see, we've sent one email so far. Once my client Joe opens up that email, it will convert to 1 for opened. Once Joe actually clicks on the link that takes him to the Google Business Profile. It's going to reflect here in the clicked section. And then if he reviewed, and so he left that review on my Google Business Profile or Facebook or Yelp, whatever the platform is, that will adjust to 1. And you can kind of see what that conversion rate is as you start sending it out to your clients. And then same thing will reflect for the text messages. If you send a text, it will then show the conversion for clicked and then from clicked to reviewed. All right. Now, obviously, the more reviews and the more single sends or bulk sends you send out to your database, the more results you're going to see. Once again, in order to build trust with potential clients, you need to get reviews. And what reviews do, it helps build that credibility, not only with your potential clients, but with the AI and search engines. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to your support team. We're always happy to help. Have a great day.